Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have KHEA here with YO TE QUIERO. Alright, so very easy song to play this one. We'll go clean with this, so no need for any capo. So let's take a look at the chords like we usually do. So we have the E minor first. This is 1 out of 5 chords we need. So E minor is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have B minor next, a bar chord. So place bar finger here on the second fret, and you bar all strings except from the last E, like this. 5 strings from bottom up, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have the D next. So that is open D, second G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. A. So that is open A, second D, second G, 2nd B, and open E. And the final chord is G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we will take a look at the strumming pattern that is used through the entire song here. So grab the E minor, since that is the first chord, and you're going to play one string around like this. So that is down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so a couple rounds of it goes like this. Alright, and I like to emphasize the first down with this bass down. Okay, so I play more on the bass strings up here and then E, A, D area, and then I answer more with the mid top strings on the down, up, down, up. All right, so that gives you a little bit color when it comes to the strumming. Now let's take a look at the different parts there. The verse and the pre-chorus is played in the same way. All right, we have the same chord progression there. It will be E minor 2, B minor 2, D2 and A2. So E minor 2, B minor 2, D2, A2. So one round of this will be the verse and one round will be the pre-chorus. We can play both rounds there. It goes like this. Actually enough. I think you get the idea there. That was the verse, you play the same, and there we have the pre-chorus. Let's take a look at the final part, the chorus part. All right, so it starts with G2 and B minor 2. These two chords you're going to alternate for 3 rounds. All right, so it will be G2 and then B minor 2. Round, G2, B minor 2, and 3rd round, G2, and B minor 2. And on the 4th round, which is the final round, you're going to play G2, B minor 1, and A1. So G2, B minor 1, So to summarize that one, G2, B minor 2, these two chords, that pair, you're going to play for 3 rounds, and then on the 4th round you play G2, B minor 1, A1. Alright guys, that pretty much covers KHEA's YO TE QUIERO. Sorry for that pronunciation. Anyway, that is how I handle a song. Good luck with this one guys, and feel free to subscribe to this channel. Helps me a lot and gives me motivation to go on. Play tune.